today's selection is always depends upon your portfolio, not on the resume. To be
Hmm.
honest with you,
I
like the
agree.
portfolio you have done like when I made my portfolio, I worked on the different streams. Like I worked on the healthcare, I worked on the fintech, I worked on like government agencies, worked for the projects like ration card system. I
Hmm.
worked on the fintech banking system in which I used AI. I worked on the projects which were using the IoT, information of technology, and AR VR system. Even the
Hmm.
mixed reality system, which is totally the emerging technology. So
Hmm.
I worked on the different streams, and that different streams, my mentors helped me in that by giving the feedbacks. Right,
Hmm.
fintech is totally new for me, health
Hmm.
department is totally new for me. So
Hmm.
how design thinking is implementing on those different streams, that was like that knowledge I gained from my mentors, that was from ImaginXP. Right, so portfolio which I made, it was totally depend like you have to think according to what are the common problems which people are not looking for, right,
Hmm.
which people are ignoring. Second, you have to choose the problem statement which are of different streams, so that the
Hmm.
company will say that he is thinking out of the box, he is thinking with different perspective on different problems, right. And the solution which you are giving, what
Hmm.
is your intent of giving the solution within the different scopes,
Hmm.
that is more important.
Hmm.
Which should be viewed in your portfolio. There should be link, like in every step there should be a link in your portfolio. You have
Hmm.
to showcase your work in your portfolio. If you can't make the experience of your portfolio better, how can you make the experience of a company's product, or how can you make the company's experience better than that, right? So it is very much important to build or to make the experience of your portfolio much and much better.